They say one foam company is currently on fire in Lagos State. No be small thing, o. They say road wey lead to Onitsha, OWERRI express highway, and this road belong to federal government, is on fire. The result of sit at home. Let's talk about it. Okay, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, very, very important. And also turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person to get our updates back to back. They say one road for Onitsha OWERRI highway, which is this road is federal road, is currently divided into two. And when people come outside to say sit at home, hey, sit at home is crippling the economy, sit at home is doing this, is sit at home holding them from doing something to walk this road, to preventing erosion from taking away this road? The answer is capital no. The answer is what? Capital no. However, let's play the video, maybe watch, then we'll come back and continue.
Car road are breaking this afternoon. Lelia, oh, rift. Lelia break going this afternoon. The first road they break, the second road they break go too. So see go slow and no road to pass. See the road they break going to two. Yeah, this afternoon. Come back, but today go break the road. See the go slow. See the go slow. The road they break is going to two. The road they break is going to two. You can see the hole. See, and this afternoon call Kerman. There, see him. They let the hole. Today 22. There, Chile follow break. Chile follow break. Chile follow break. The road cut into two. The road break into two. Oh, yeah, la full alibo. Life and direct today 22. Euphoria. Yeah, I'm black in yellow. I was.
As you have watched that video and I see how this road, people are stranded. They don't even know what to do. Are they going front? Are they going back? The road is no more to cross to the other side. And this is the reason why they said that the president of federal government is not working. Or let's one the people are talking, oh, being secondary, they try to put there so that the world will see that they did to justify their injustice. I guess the start is. However, they say one company don't catch fire for Lagos. What caused this fire is still unknown. We are going to play you the video for you to watch, and when we will come back, we'll continue.
Today here live for the Lukpeju industrial area for Lagos, where the emergency services don't arrive. The fire started. This is not the back of the factory. The factory where they make mattresses, where they call foam, whether they make plastics, whether they make poly bags and other nylon bags. It starts as early as 6 a.m. this morning from what we hear from the people where where they live around here. That's not the eyewitnesses. That see the fire come begin spread. They spread, they catch all the products that them don't make. You see how them they try make sure say the fire no come out. The wall don't they almost break. But the major concern right now, apart from say the factory they burn now, this church where they here, the Catholic church we here, and if this fire come down like this, that church they at risk. That church they as old as Ilukpeju community itself. Now the only Catholic church where they Ilukpeju. BBC Pidgin we say make we try, you know, there one place where we go fit see how the fire service people will take stop this fire. Not be say them come late, or not be say them come late, because the Lagos State Emergency Office not far from here. So as they get the call, then show from waiting we also hear. Even though they're not too sure on time, but they eventually show. And now since that time, they begin try quench this fire. Where no they go, the fire no they go. See how thick way they. See how thick way they. Banks, churches, other factories, food factory, the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, also they here, just beside the church. Now him be the Federal Inland Revenue Service. So all this property that were they here, they are serious risk. This no be the only fire truck where they here, no be only this one. Other ones they front, other ones they even inside the church to try stop them. How this fire go down? No even they clear yet, because the fire just a big they go. Both the ones, the fire service stations from Surulere, Ilukpeju, the ones where they Yaba and different parts of Lagos, the one where they Oshodi, I don't even they inside the arena. Now him them don't deploy all the fire trucks where they are around this vicinity. They hear from the background. Now they hear sirens. Now another set of fire trucks where just they arrive. Ambulances there, police there. But the fire no gree go. Make we see the situation and what will happen outside. Fire need to go. And we did live for Ilukpeju area of Lagos. Make sure you follow us on top of our website to read all the Ogbonge Tori where we don't bring on. And also follow us on top all our social media handles. They go outside to bring the situation with the outside. This is not the situation outside. See how rowdy they. The situation is outside. Everybody they helpless. Expatriates, police, everybody they here. And you see the fire service truck. Also the journalists. Three fire trucks now in there here. So now they see everybody. They do everything. To help this fire. Even the managers of the companies, they're here. This is not the front view of waiting we have been seen before. And everybody they do what they've been doing. See, 3 fire service trucks, 9 days here. 2 don't exhaust their water already, and the fire never go off. This is not the 3rd one. So emergency day, but the fire no dey go. The fire no dey go. So no be say water no dey, water dey. Every equipment stay here. And the officers they try their best to see what's in them go fit here. Then they attack the fire from both front and back, from the 2 sides too. But the fire does a big, they expand, they do. Then they put an extension hose for the pump so that the water go also there as aggressive as the fire. The fire no dey gree go. The fire no dey gree go. All hands on deck for here. All hands on deck.
Hello my wonderful people. No be small thing o. And so we see am for this factory for inside Lagos wey don catch fire today. They say na for Ileshegu. The name is very hard for us, but they say that for Ileshegu, this thing dey happen for inside Lagos. They say this factory that produce something like foam and plastic and other things. And today na so they see am for there at the factory they burn yata. Despite the water where they say they don't pour, as you dey watch for this video, still yet the fire no gree go. Now we say move quickly bring you the information. May you see wetin dey go on. Abeg may you share this video. We go see you for the next update.